This DC65, which is in kind of rough condition. So we've got a really dirty canister, really dirty power head. I'm guessing a hose that's definitely in need of replacement. This bottom hose looks okay, but we have an issue with this changeover hose. So that thing needs to be replaced. It looks like it's got a ballpoint pin going right through it. I can't even see down there. So, kind of at a crossroads with this one. I'm not noticing any bad smells yet. It should go without saying, but I'm pretty sure both of the filters are likely. Well, I spoke too soon. This filter has been replaced, because normally they're way dirtier than that. But you can see what looks like a ballpoint pen has pierced itself right through this changeover hose, which is of course going to stop it from doing what it's supposed to do. So that's got to be replaced. Good news, that part is not expensive. It's like 12 bucks on Amazon. The rest of the parts on this thing, not even counting the cord, because of course that's been cut off. Under normal circumstances, I would probably scrap this machine. It's just got a lot wrong with it. It really does. It needs a new hose. It needs a new, well, I could probably use some elbow grease on this thing and clean it up, but we'll get to that in a minute. That does need a lot of work. I was gonna say it needs new filters, but that one looks okay. I did not check the one that's in the bin. That actually looks decent, and it doesn't smell either. So we might have lucked out on filters. This bin's broken, which leaves me to my next deal here. You guys probably know where I'm going with this, but I actually have a Dyson cord here. I have a Dyson dust bin somewhere around here. There it is. It was hiding. Pulled this off of another junk machine about a month or so ago. That part is fine. Looks to be in decent condition. I also have, from my shelf, a next to new power nozzle. I don't know if this thing works. I hope that it does, because that's an easy enough swap right there. Now, at the house, I have a brand new one of these. I also have one of these in much better condition. And obviously, I'm gonna have to buy a new changeover hose. But I'm kind of at a point right now where I already have most of what I need for this thing. I might as well just fix it, right? Because these kinds of repair videos are often a bit of a crapshoot. Sometimes they perform really well, sometimes they don't. However, if you guys want to see stuff like this on a machine like this that's not exactly unique, like those two are, then I'm open to making a video if you guys want to see it. I'm probably leaning in that direction anyways, but let me know what you all think. We'll see what we can do with this machine, make it look a bit better.